Okay, dear students, observe the question. Let torque denote a curve y is equal to y of x, which is in the first quadrant, and let the point 1 comma 0 lie on it. Let the tangent to the curve at a point intersect the y-axis at yp. If PYP has length 1 for each point P on the curve, then which of the following option is are correct? Now the first option, y is equal to log 1 plus root 1 minus x square by x base c minus root 1 minus x square. Second option, x y dash minus root 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Third option, x y dash plus root 1 minus x square is equal to 0. The fourth option, y is equal to minus log 1 plus root 1 minus x square by x base c plus root 1 minus x square. Okay, so actually this is the question from JEE-ADVANCED 2019 from paper 1. This is the question from section 2. There it is, more than one option type question. Okay, now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this one. Okay, according to this, we have to draw the diagram. Okay, now from the given, here this is taken as y-axis. Now this is x-axis, right? So the curve passing through the point 1 comma 0. The curve passing through the point 1 comma 0. And it is tangent. There is a tangent to the curve at the P taken as x1, y1. The point P taken as x1, y1. Now this curve, that means this tangent meet the point at yp, that means that is 0 comma yp. So this is taken as yp. Yp is 0 comma yp. That's all. So now we have to take the curve, given curve y is equal to y of x. That's why its derivative is y dash, it represents dy by dx. Derivative as well as it is slope of the curve. Now we have to find the equation of the tangent to the curve at P. Equation of tangent at P to the curve is y minus y1 is equal to y dash into x minus x1. Okay, now this tangent meet y-axis. It meets y-axis at yp. Then in place of y we have to write yp. So yp minus y1, y dash into 0 minus x1. Now from this, yp is equal to y1 plus y1 minus x1 y dash, where y dash is nothing but dy by dx. That's all. Now the point on y-axis. The point on y-axis is 0 comma y1 minus x1 y dash, and P is x1 y1. Given, what is given? Given mod TYP is equal to 1, since the distance between them is 1. That's why I have to identify the distance between these two. That is square root of x1 square plus y1 gets cancelled. x1 square y dash square is equal to 1. From this, the locus x square plus y dash square, x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 1. Now from this, y dash square is equal to 1 minus x square by x square. That implies y dash is equal to plus or minus 1 minus x square root by x. Okay, that's it. So this is y dash. So here we have to take two cases. Now, in case 1, from case 1, y dash is equal to root 1 minus x square by x. From this, x y dash is equal to root 1 minus x square. So x y dash, that implies x, so x y dash is equal to root 1 minus x square. From this, so second option is correct. Now case 2, y dash is equal to minus root of 1 minus x square by x. From this, x y dash is equal to minus root of 1 minus x square. That is from third option. That's why second option, from case 1 second option is correct. From case 2 third option is correct. Since this is in the first quadrant, if it is, that means the tangent makes acute angle. That's why you have to take positive slope. If acute angle, positive slope. Suppose you have to take obtuse angle. Suppose the curve take this side, then the tangent makes obtuse angle, then negative slope. That's why the two cases are correct. Now from case 1, again from case 1, here y dash is nothing but dy by dx is equal to square root of 1 minus x square by x, right? Square root of 1 minus x square by x. Now from this, dy is equal to root 1 minus x square by x into dx. Root 1 minus x square into x into dx. Now apply integration. Integral dy is equal to integral root 1 minus x square by x dx. Let us take 1 minus x square is equal to t square. Then dx is equal to, that means minus x dx is equal to t dt. That's why dx is equal to minus t dt by root 1 minus t square. Now we have to substitute here. Integral dy is equal to integral, here root 1 minus x square is nothing but t by x is nothing but root of 1 minus t square into, here it is minus t by root 1 minus t square dt. Right. Again from this we have to write here. So y is equal to, here it is integral minus t square by 1 minus t square dt. Minus t square by 1 minus t square dt. From this is integral 1 minus 1 by 1 minus t square dt. Okay. Now from that we have to write here y is equal to, here it is t minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus c. So according to the integration formula, right? Then it is from this we have to write from this y is equal to root 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus root 1 minus x square by 1 minus root 1 minus x square plus c. If it is passes through, that means the curve passes through 1 comma 0 is passing through 1 comma 0, then c is equal to 0. We have to substitute here 0 0 0, then c is equal to 0. So that from this we get y is equal to root of 1 minus x square. Here after rationalizing, these two gets cancelled, minus log 1 plus root 1 minus x square by x base c. So that is fourth option. So similarly in case 2, y is equal to log 1 plus root 1 minus x square by x base c minus root 1 minus x square. That's why that is in first option. That's why all the options are correct. First option, second option, third option. Here it is after rationalizing, so it is passing through origin, that c. After rationalizing we get here it is 2 1 by 2, here it is square, gets cancelled, then it is. In the second case same in the same process, second case we get this one. That's why all options are correct, right? That's all. That's all.